Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have 2021 Toyota RAV4 four-wheel drive. The parking light is not working. This parking light is worked through two positions. You can use it as an auto. This is an auto. Whenever you go to the darkness, it will come on, or manual. Don't use the manual because you may drain the battery or you forget the light on. So we're gonna put it in auto. There is no parking light in the back, in the front. But I already fixed it. You see here, this is the parking light, and also this light here. And if you see in the bottom, this is the plate lights. In case this thing happen, you need to go here. If you put it on and sometimes the fuse is blown, I just want to show you where you can get the fuse and how does it work. If you look here, if you take this one out and you look at it, you're going to see tail. Hold it like this. You're going to see here, in this area, you're going to see tail light. Tail light. So you go down there and check where is the tail light. After you take it out, you look under this fuse box here and look at this fuse here. You see this fuse, let me see, this blue, this fuse here, you see, that's the fuse for the tail light, I believe. Let me turn the tail light off. No, this is not it. Let me go back, let me go up a little bit. Look here now. See, this is the tail light. It's supposed to have 10 amps, but that's the tail light. It's supposed to have 10 amps, but I don't have the 10 amps. I put 5 amps. So this light here, if I turn the light off, nothing. You must have power in two places. This is supposed to be 10 amps, but I only have this fuse to test it, and I put it in and it's work. That's the place of the fuse. Here is the fog light, and it's work with the high beam. Or low beam, one of them. So this is for fog light. It doesn't work. We may have to take everything out, but that's a quick information where you can get the fuse for the tail light in case something happens to it. You don't need to come here to check it. Right now we don't have the fog lamps. We may have to review it and look at it also. And we have to take everything down to look at it. But other than that, everything is look good on this car. Nice car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, and see you in another video. Okay, we are back now for the catalytic converter codes. We say that we don't need to change the catalytic converter right now, but we try to see if we can use this cat blue. It's not expensive, like less than $20 cleaner and deodorant for the catalytic converter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it slowly, and then we're gonna pour this into the gas tank. Okay. After the gas tank, then you fill out the gas tank. See, after you pour it, okay, you fill out the gas tank and drive your car till you finish that gas. I see that 75% or a lot of people, they never complain about it anymore. The code never come back again. The catalytic converter work, because sometimes they just got clapped and dusted and it cannot work well. After that, yeah, if it doesn't work, you can use it for the next time. You can fill the gas 2 times, but I know that people use it 1 time and they are good. Let me close it. Okay. Now you're gonna go there, clear the codes. Clear the codes. I did clear all the codes, you see here. And no codes now. And you start your car. Drive till the gas and fill out the gas tank. Be sure that the gas tank is full. Now it's full, it's almost, but fill it out. And then you drive. After your gas tank is finished, I don't believe it's gonna, even if the check engine light come back again, try to clear it and then continue, just clear it and delete the codes and then keep continuing it. After that, if it doesn't want to go away, then maybe you have to change the catalytic converter. Thank you.